To track a payment in Office Tools Workspace, you're going to want to be on the Billing tab located at the top of the screen here. Once on the Billing tab, navigate to the Payments button on the right hand side of the screen. On the Payments tab, you're going to want to click on the plus sign in the toolbar to generate a new payment. When you click on the plus sign, you'll notice that you have the ability to create a new payment, a credit memo, or a debit memo. To create a new payment, click on the option. At this point in time, a screen will pop up called the Payment Management screen, where you're able to key in the details of the payment that's been collected. You're going to want to select the company. You want to populate in the amount of the payment right here. The payment method. If it's a check, sometimes it's a good idea to plug in that check number into the reference field here. You can plug in a note regarding this payment and or a project to associate this payment to. The payment date is located right here. And if you would like to include your payment into a deposit slip, you can check the box here that says deposit, and you'll notice that updates the deposit total in the upper right hand corner. If you're creating a deposit slip, it would probably be beneficial to have a group of payments that you'd like to key in at the same time to create your deposit slip with. Once you've keyed in the details of your payments, you'll notice in the bottom section here a list of invoices that apply to that client. Based on the payment amount, it's going to go in and look for any final invoice that's exactly the amount of the payment. In this case, we have an invoice here that's worth $1,500, the same as our payment, so it's applied that payment to that invoice. Now we can control how the payment is applied by checking or unchecking the boxes on the left hand side. Once you have your payment keyed in and applied to the appropriate invoice, you can click Save and Close to close out of this window. Please note that if you are tracking a retainer, you would simply not apply the payment to an invoice, or if there are already no invoices in the system for the company, it will automatically be marked as a retainer.